Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a moving color neon lights border in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. It's quite simple. Go to the Effect tab, search for Color Phosphor. Then drag and drop the Color Phosphor effect onto the upper layer of the video on the timeline. Adjust the duration to match the video. You can overlay multiple color phosphor effects to enhance the effect. However, we cannot adjust the speed of the border movement and the color of the border. Let's delete these effects. Go to the stock materials, add the black background to the timeline as an overlay. In the Effect tab, drag the Color Phosphor effect onto the black clip. Then, right-click to create a compound clip. Next, go to the speed. Adjust the speed as needed. This operation can adjust the speed of the border. Next, go to the Video Basics, click Blend, choose Screen. This applies the border to the video. Then, we can also go to the adjustment, adjust the color of the border. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.